Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz here in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Welcome back to a new week. Good to see you on this Christmas week. As most of you already know, it's going to be a short week in the marketplace, which means there shouldn't be too much volatility as far as mortgage rates are concerned. Last week, rates did get a little better, but it was only for a short window of time. There still is a lot of unpacking to do with what Jerome Powell announced regarding the tapering and the quickening of that. If you missed last week's video, we were talking about the Fed had originally planned to taper their bond buying program by mid-2022, and we've been saying that for weeks. There was speculation that the Fed was going to come out and speed that up, and they did. What now is going to happen is the Fed's going to completely remove themselves from the bond buying program by March of 2022. So, with coming into the holidays and the market kind of unpacking that and the bond market kind of sorting itself out and trying to get its legs underneath itself and figure out, well, what's that going to mean? There was a little bit of initial change in the marketplace, but then it really just didn't last. It kind of petered out and fizzled out. So the expectation this week is that there should be very light volatility, especially coming into Christmas. And then, of course, you have another partial week next week because we have New Year's Eve coming at the end of next week as well. And then turn the calendar will finally be in 2022. It's crazy to say that. We'll be in 2022 in just a couple of days. But for those of you who came to our client appreciation event, thank you so much for joining us. We had a great time at the movies, and we're so glad that we were able to welcome you, and we hope that you had a great time. For those of you who we were unable to see, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. We will still have Monday Mortgage Minute next week, and hopefully there's not something crazy and wild to talk about, but if there is, of course, we'll bring it to you. You guys have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you again next week.